Hi guys, this is your girl Doreen here again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to highlight your eyebrows. I'm lazy to do like all the highlighting and contouring and all that, so I wear very little makeup. So even when going to work, the only thing that I wear is foundation, mascara, lipstick, and some setting powder, and that's it. I don't do all the contouring and highlighting on a daily basis. So I saw this video and I was like, wow, this I can do, this I can manage, I can even do it every day. For a long time I would just put talc powder on my face and Vaseline on my lips, and I was out the door. But when I started having skin tags and blemishes and whatever you call them, that's when I started wearing foundation to cover up and yeah, just to make my face look more presentable. Yeah, so to highlight my eyebrows, I have this Wonder Brow. There we go. Wonder Brow from Rimmel. Actually, it's a mascara for the eyebrows. So I have that, and then I have this is an old sleek cream contour kit. Then I have these different brushes. I have that one, and I have this one as well. Then I have the makeup remover from Kenzo. I have the cotton buds, and then I have some gel. I'm using aloe vera gel. So let's get started. I think I'll only do the left side so that you can see the difference, and then I'll leave the right side just the way it is. So I brush the eyebrows. There's too much light, unfortunately, sorry about that. And then I go over the eyebrow with the brow mascara. I don't have much hair at the end of my eyebrow, so I will concentrate on putting more mascara there. Never mind my nails. I will get to the nails as well at the end of this day. So focus on the eyebrow, people. Focus on the eyebrow, not on my nails. Okay, it's messy right now, but it will come together. Oops. Okay. And then I go over it with some gel. Just a drop, not much. That's more than enough. Voila. And then I use this brush, this side of the brush, to shape it. Okay. And then I use a cotton bud and makeup remover. Never mind the plastic. I'm also pre-pooing my hair as I do this, so never mind about the plastic under the bonnet. So then I clean off the excess. Yeah, then I just clean off this bit. Voila. And then I'd forgotten that I will also use the eyeshadow brush to highlight. So that's why I had the sleek palette, and it's almost finished because I've used most of it. So I'm going to use the concealer part to highlight. There, so that's my highlighted eyebrow. What do you all think? You see the difference between that one and the one on the right? I'm so proud of myself, actually. For a beginner, really, I'm so happy with this. I'm really, really happy. And the good thing with applying gel over your eyebrow, it stays intact the whole day. Even if you rub your face, it's not going to smudge, it will stay intact. So this is why I really love this idea of applying gel over it. So I'm not going to do the rest of the makeup because I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to show you this. And also I must say that I use the brown eyebrow mascara because my eyebrows are quite dark, so if I use black, they look, I look a bit ridiculous. I think I would suggest you use a brown one, so it looks more natural. Well, this is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe and support your girl. Hit the notification button so that when I post videos, you'll be notified. All right, thank you so much again. Bye.